Welcome, everyone, to this exploration of Neuralink, a groundbreaking technology that's taking us on a journey deep into the realms of the human mind. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, but the brainchild of a team of innovators led by Elon Musk, the visionary who brought us Tesla, SpaceX, and now Neuralink. Neuralink is a neurotechnology company developing implantable brain-machine interfaces. Its mission? To meld mind and machine in ways that could revolutionize how we interact with the world and each other. From tackling neurological disorders to enhancing human cognition, Neuralink is poised to redefine our understanding of the brain's potential. It's a thrilling prospect and one that's not without its challenges. As we venture into the realm of this unprecedented technology, we're also stepping into a new frontier of ethical and societal considerations. To understand Neuralink, we need to dive into the science. At its core, Neuralink aims to bridge the gap between our brains and the digital world. The human brain, a marvel of evolution, is a complex network of approximately 100 billion neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical signals, forming a vast, intricate web of connections that constitute our thoughts, memories, and consciousness. Now, picture this. What if we could tap into this network? What if we could read these signals, interpret them, and even send our own? This is where Neuralink steps in. The technology involves implanting minuscule electrodes into the brain, creating a direct interface between our neural circuitry and external devices. These electrodes, thinner than a human hair, are designed to pick up the electrical signals from neurons. They then transmit these signals to an external device, translating the language of the brain into a digital format we can understand and interact with. But Neuralink's technology isn't a one-way street. It also has the capability to send signals back to the neurons, allowing for a two-way conversation between the brain and the device. This is achieved through a process known as electrophysiology, which involves measuring electrical activity within the brain. The Neuralink device, equipped with thousands of electrodes, can record and stimulate activity across a wide range of neurons, providing a detailed map of brain activity. Now you might be wondering, why implant electrodes in the brain? The answers hold transformative potential. Neuralink's technology could provide invaluable insights into how our brains work, potentially leading to breakthroughs in treating neurological disorders. It could also enable individuals with paralysis to control prosthetic limbs or other devices merely by thinking about the desired action. But the ambitions of Neuralink extend even further into the realm of cognitive enhancement. Picture a world where you can access information at the speed of thought or communicate without the need for words. By bridging the gap between our brains and the digital world, Neuralink is not just unlocking the mysteries of the mind, but also opening up a new frontier of human potential. Neuralink holds the promise of treating neurological disorders, enabling paralyzed individuals to control devices, and even augmenting our cognitive abilities. Imagine a world where the confines of physical disability are a thing of the past, a world where the mind reigns supreme, unhindered by the limitations of the body. This is the world that Neuralink is helping to build. Through the power of this groundbreaking technology, individuals who once lived with paralysis may be able to regain control over their bodies, interacting with the world around them in ways they never thought possible. But the potential of Neuralink extends far beyond medical treatments. It's about more than just restoring lost abilities. It's about enhancing our capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. Picture this: instant access to the entire wealth of human knowledge at the speed of thought. No more typing into search engines, no more scrolling through pages of results. Need to learn a new language? No problem. With Neuralink, you could download the entire vocabulary and grammar rules directly into your brain. And let's not stop there. What about communication? With Neuralink, the concept of language could be revolutionized. The need for spoken or written words could become obsolete, replaced by direct, instantaneous thought transfer. Imagine the depth of understanding, the closeness that could be achieved when we can share our thoughts and experiences directly, without the need for translation or interpretation. But here's the catch. This isn't science fiction. It's the future that Neuralink is working towards right now. It's a future that's closer than we think, a future that could transform society in ways we can barely begin to imagine. Of course, the road to this future won't be easy. There are many challenges to overcome and many questions that need answers. But the potential is there, waiting to be unlocked. The future impact of Neuralink is nothing short of revolutionary. We could witness a society where communication transcends language, where thoughts can be shared instantly, and where individuals with cognitive impairments find new avenues of expression. This is no fantasy. It's the potential future that Neuralink could usher in. Imagine, if you will, a world where the barriers of language are erased. No more struggling with translations, no more miscommunications. Your thoughts, your ideas, your emotions could be shared directly, creating a level of understanding and empathy previously unimaginable. But it's not just about communication. Neuralink could also revolutionize learning. The ability to download information directly into your brain could redefine education. The line between man and machine could blur as we augment our cognitive abilities, pushing the boundaries of human potential. And let's not forget those with cognitive impairments. Neuralink could provide them with new ways to express themselves, to engage with the world, to live a life unencumbered by their conditions. But this future is not without its concerns. The ethical implications are vast and complex. Privacy, for instance, takes on a whole new meaning when our thoughts could potentially be accessed by others. How do we ensure that our innermost thoughts remain private in a world connected by Neuralink? And then there's the question of consent. Who gets to decide who has access to our neural data? What measures do we need to put in place to ensure that this technology is not misused? The potential misuse of Neuralink is a serious concern. Could it be weaponized? Could it be used to manipulate or control? These are questions we must grapple with as we stand on the brink of this new frontier. As we wrap up, Neuralink stands at the intersection of science and imagination. It's a journey into the unknown, a journey that promises to unlock the mysteries of the mind and shape the future of human interaction. But it's also a journey that demands responsibility, foresight, and ethical vigilance. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of Neuralink.